Welcome to the Huntington Gardens and Library. When you enter, many of the flowers and plants are natives of California. The space is also surrounded with succulents and other desert plants. With 120 acres and 16 gardens to explore, you can spend the entire day walking around, admiring all the beautiful plants.
We're at the Huntington Library and Gardens.
What's that over there?
It is the library exhibit hall.
Huge manicured lawns surround the library and museum. A gorgeous rose garden is just beyond the buildings, with hundreds of roses blooming in the ground and around pergolas. Over 1,300 varieties are grown here for visitors to enjoy. Which one is your favorite? You can get inspiration for your own rose garden by admiring the blooms in this area of the gardens. I could spend all day among these beautiful roses. There is even a tea room for you to enjoy some tea while sitting among the roses. By far, this was my favorite part of the Huntington. The marble-like statues made you think you were transported back in time. Next is the Japanese garden.
Check it out.
An arched bridge lies over a koi pond in the middle of this serene garden. Colorful koi fish are not afraid to come up near the ledge, hoping for a treat from visitors. This Japanese house sits on top of a hill, overlooking the garden. The 5 rooms show how Japanese people lived during the turn of the century. There are plenty of paths to walk in the gardens to enjoy the changing scenery throughout the Huntington. A Zen garden offers a relaxing space to rest after walking up the hill. A bonsai garden showcases some impressive bonsai trees in many shapes and sizes. Each are pruned differently for a unique look. The Chinese garden has beautiful wood carvings located in the Love for the Lotus Pavilion. Paths allow visitors to enjoy the lake and plants up close and personal in this impressive garden. Many symbols, images, and influence from Chinese gardens can be seen here. Made up of 15 acres, this is one of the largest Chinese gardens outside of China. Next is the tea house in the Chinese garden. Many different plants grow in the courtyard. There's plenty of plant and animal life to enjoy at the Huntington. The conservatory is a great place to explore plants indoors. I hope you enjoyed my tour of the Huntington Gardens. For more information, please visit www.bloominganomaly.com.